Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are things, my students? I hope that you are good. You have in a good condition. Don't forget to always keep your health. Don't forget to have breakfast and also lunch. Today we are going to study about prepositional phrase. You can also see the material on your lesson book chapter 2. Okay, prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase is a phrase, is a word that shows a relation between a noun or pronoun and some other words in the sentence. For example, on her boat, in a house, near the goat, under a mouse, before noon, during class, about a good, without a pass. So, don't forget, prepositional phrase, a word that shows a relation between a noun or pronoun and some other word in the sentence. Now, in the prepositional phrase, there will be object of preposition. Prepositional phrase is a phrase that has the formula preposition plus noun or noun phrase, and also the object of preposition. The object of preposition is the noun or pronoun that ends a prepositional phrase. The baseball player in the white shirt hit hometown. In the white shirt is a prepositional phrase. In the white shirt is prepositional phrase, so the object of preposition is shirt. The baseball player in the white shirt hit a hometown. In the white shirt is prepositional phrase, shirt is object of preposition. Another examples. So, the noun or pronoun that ends a prepositional phrase, we call this object of preposition. On her boat. On her boat is prepositional phrase, and the object of preposition is boat. In a house, house is object of preposition. Near the goat, goat is object of preposition. Under a mouse, mouse is object of preposition. Before noon, noun is also object of preposition. During class, about a goon, without a pass. Class, goon, pass is object of preposition. So, the prepositional phrase always begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Once again, prepositional phrase always begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Like a chipmunk. Like is preposition, a chipmunk is a noun. Buy a shrimp. Buy is preposition, a shrimp is a noun or pronoun. So buy a shrimp is prepositional phrase, shrimp is object of preposition. On the table. On is preposition, the table is a noun. On the table, prepositional phrase, and the table is object of preposition. Prepositional phrase has two functions. The first has the function as adjective. Prepositional phrase that has function as adjective is a modifies a noun or pronoun or describe a noun or pronoun. It also answer the question which one, what kind, or how many. The puppy in the shop window jumped up. The puppy in the shop window jump up. In the shop window is prepositional phrase. And the function of the prepositional phrase in that sentence is as adjective. Because in the shop window is describe the puppy or explain the puppy. And the character is a prepositional phrase that has the function as adjective put after the subject and before the verb. The puppy is the subject and jumped up is the verb. So in the shop window is a prepositional phrase put after subject and before the verb. Yeah. In the shop window, explain the puppy. So in the shop window, prepositional phrase as adjective. The second function of the prepositional phrase is as adverb. When it has the function as adverb, it modifies or explains a verb or adjective, or also that's the adverb. And it can be also answer the question where, when, and how. The puppy jumped to the food. The puppy jumped to the food. To the food is prepositional phrase, and the function of the prepositional phrase in the sentence the puppy jumped to the food is as adverb. Why? Because it is explain the verb jumped. Where puppy jumped, puppy jumps to the food. So to the food explain the verb. So to the verb has the function as adverb. Okay, one thing to remember, yeah, the preposition, if there is no object of the preposition, so it will not be called prepositional phrase because it is only an adverb. The examples: the gecko climbed up the wall. The gecko climbed up the wall. The prepositional of the sentence the gecko climbed up the wall is up the wall. Up the wall is up can be has the function as prepositional phrase because followed by a noun or noun phrase that is the wall. So up the wall is prepositional phrase. Look at to the second sentence. The gecko climbed up. Climbed up. After up there is no noun or pronoun. So up is only a preposition, not prepositional phrase. Look at to the third example. The gecko climbed up on the wall. Climbed up on the wall. On the wall is prepositional phrase because it is followed by a noun. Okay, now let's try the exercise. You must identify the prepositional phrase and the facts of the object of the preposition. You can pick a piece of paper or on your writing book, write the sentence and try the exercise. And the instruction is you must identify or write down the prepositional phrase and also the object of the preposition in the sentence number 1, number 2, and number 3. You got it? Okay, have you done it? Okay, let's discuss whether your answer will be the same or there are some correction. Okay, look at to number 1. The paper with the blue border is floating through the air. The prepositional phrase of the sentence number 1, the first is with the blue border and the second is through the air. With the blue border, the object of preposition is border, and through the air, the object of the preposition is air. Sentence number 2. Jordan's eyes sparkle like a sunny day. So, the prepositional of the second sentence is like a sunny day, and the object of the preposition is day. Number 3. With great ease, Michael jumped up on the table. In this sentence, there are 2 prepositional phrases and also 2 objects of preposition. The first is with great ease and the second is on the table. And the object of preposition is and table. Another exercise. The tadpoles are below the surface of the pond. How many prepositions are there? There are 2 prepositions and 2 prepositional phrases, that is below the surface and of the pond. I jumped up and Amy jumped down. Up is a preposition. Down also preposition. Is Taylor near? Near is preposition. Erin looked across the bus to the purple-haired boy. Across is prepositional phrase because followed by the bus. And also to the purple-haired boy is prepositional phrase because to followed by the pronoun the purple-haired boy. Okay, this is another exercise that you must do. The instruction is write down the prepositional phrase, object of preposition, and the function. Okay, thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do your exercise.